Grany.
She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be so persuasive? That marijuana, she's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be? Feel like the feeling of a suppress. Feel like I got no breath. Feel like I need it. Rest.
Happy 2025, guys. I hope so far your year has started off as a good one. I hope you're grinding. I hope God is with you to help you get through this year, because wow, 2024 was something else. I'm sure I even forgot my intro. Hi, welcome back to your dose of sunshine. I'm Grany Malema and I'm here to brighten up your day. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on that button. Please join the Smiley family and let's keep on smiling, okay? Anyway, guys, yeah, this is my first vlog for the year. I know I've put like 2 vlogs so far, but those were from 2024, okay? Because I didn't have time to edit during the holidays. It was gadala, guys. I just wanted to relax. Anyway, guys, today is something Feb. I think the 7th of February. It's a Saturday. And we are officially back. We are officially making a comeback. And yeah, there ain't much to it. Today I am going to do laundry. I am going to clean a bit and shoot one video. I have this other campaign with MT and Momo, so I'm gonna try to shoot a video for that. And then after that, I'm gonna go to 4 Ways and meet up with my friends, okay? So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, I promise I've made a comeback. Like, I'm officially back. Like, back, you know? Ish, guys, these things. So I haven't bathed. Like, I'll bath after doing laundry, I think, and cleaning and whatnot. Guys, we are at a new place, okay? We moved out of Deep Sloot and we got a new place. And that's on period. Okay? So hence I'm saying, like, we are about to eat content this year, all right? We are going to try by all means to just get everything out. I asked my Instagram followers what they would like to see from me, and like a lot of people were like, hair videos, cooking videos, cooking with Grany. Yeah, and then cooking with Grany. So I'm thinking like every 2 weeks I'll do like a cooking Sunday session with me and whatnot, and then hair videos, and then uni diaries. I'm still trying to maneuver around that because like vlogging in front of the people, and campus it's always so full. So I don't know, maybe I'll incorporate like uni diaries there and there, but I think we're also gonna have these sit down sessions, okay? We are about to eat content this year because we don't care anymore about being judged. We don't care anymore about being weird or coming off like, girl, what are you doing? We are doing this. We are getting our bread. There's this picture, this girl at broto, like I'm calling my bread. That's me right now. Anyway, guys, let me do laundry and then do dishes, and I will catch up with you guys later. Please enjoy this video. Please like, please comment, please share if you can. I'll really appreciate it, because this year we are definitely getting that 1K subscribers. There is no way. We are definitely making it, and
they hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in coming. Fuck with my stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out the parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just hurt you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just burst you. Tag glow, stomp a little pussy, the whole bitch with shell talk. Tag glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail hoe. Tag circles around these snail hoes. And my shit bumping up in the jail hole. Get up where you been at, mine. Everywhere I'm working hard. Back and G-Wagon truck. Got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe. You bitches better not keep me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players. My folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch. When I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet. I'm the hood, bitches motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate me. Them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Standing on business in me Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail food on gang. Stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell talk. Slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Two-tone Cartier match the nails, hoe. No competition, these bitches stale, hoe. Curving, no curving, my shit is layers, hoe. Say they get money, but I can't tell, hoe. Keep running circles around these snail hoes. And my shit bumping up in the jail, hoe.
About you and they told me things, but my mind didn't change and I still feel the same. What's a life with no fun? Please don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours, we both know. We know they won't get you like I will. My only wish is I die real, cause that truth hurts and those lies heal. And you can't sleep thinking that he lies still, so you cry still, tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls all get a little taste out, pushing me away so I give her space out. Feeling with a heart that I didn't break, I'll be there for you.
Hi guys, I just finished bathing. Yeah, I just finished bathing and it's like 2 p.m. now. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys my skin routine because look at this girl's skin, right? No, if you know me, you know that my skin was so bad. This is getting way better and I'm all ashy right now. So let's get to the skin routine. I've been using this toner from Isabella Garcia, however they pronounce it, and it has been so good. I think their products are really good, hey, but expensive. Oh, that's so expensive, oh my god. Anyway, we're about to eat our skin routines here. See how the lighting is so good this side. See that my hands are so ashy. Oh, like my hair has to go at this point. I'm probably gonna undo my hair next week. The Ordinary niacinamide and zinc. The Ordinary is really good, guys, when it comes to my serums. I haven't really tried the other range, but I know they're really so good. And then I go in with this. This is the Clicks tissue oil. No, I dodged Bromley for now, and I think this is good because Bromley was no longer thick as it used to be. Like now it was getting lighter and lighter, so I tried the Clicks one and I think it's doing the job. I don't know, but I think it's doing the job. You know, it's really thick. Lawan already got shine. It's really thick. It's not so whack. Then, you know, sunscreen. Never leave your place without a sunscreen. And then lastly, I go in with this hydrating mist from Nivea. Honestly, this is the best mist ever. Like, and then voila. And then I just wait to dry off. I don't have the fan, so natural air will do the job. I've also been using this Dove focus. Yes, I've also been using this Dove antiperspirant sprays, and oh my god, they are so good. Like, they last for so long. Not that I had like problem with my armpits or whatnot, but I find this to be very like efficient and convenient. Like, you just spray and then you're done. One thing I like about them is they don't leave that white cast. The problem that I had before with my roll-ons is they would leave like white cast and whatnot. So with this one, period. I haven't shaved in a very long time. Guys, I'm running late, so let's rush this video and let's get to focus. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and become part of this beautiful family, this smiley family, okay? Because we're all about what? Smarts. Anyway guys, this is the situation right now. Like, I'm definitely gonna wear this top, and then I have to choose between this trouser and this one. This one, they look so long, guys. And yeah, guys, I arrived at Four Ways. I'm with Level. Come and say hi. I'm at. Alright, anyway, we're at Four Ways and we're doing window shopping.
Trying to run from that, say you're done with that on your face, girl, it just don't show. When you're ready, just say you're ready. When all the baggage just ain't as heavy and the party's over, just don't forget me. We'll change the pace and we'll just go slow. You won't ever have to worry. You won't ever have to hide. And you've seen all my mistakes, so look me in my eyes.
'Cause if you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you. I've loved and I've lost.
Anyway guys, we are about to have our first meal of the day. It's the first meal of the day. I haven't had anything. I'm doing one day, starting one meal a day. And I'm checking where I am right now. I have headaches, slight headaches.
You do. One time been in love, one time. You and all your girls in the club one time. Also convinced that you're following your heart, cause your mind don't control what it does sometimes.
I was getting some
Don't be
sauces.
so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours. We both know. We know.
Let me show you. Hi Smileys, welcome back to another day into the vlog. Today it's a Tuesday. Today's a Tuesday and I'm rewatching Brooklyn Nine-Nine for the 100th time now. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed the last clips. I last spoke to you guys when I was at Four Ways and doing some window shopping and all that. And yeah, that was the end of it. So today it's a Tuesday and we are here once again. Okay, no, I'm very normal. This thing is making noise. Right, it's a Tuesday today and it's currently around 2-4. I think 10 to 4, and I haven't had anything to eat. Yeah, nah, I'm starting to shake. So I'm gonna prepare something right now so that by 5 I have something to eat, right? I'm planning to have potato wedges and some eggs and some tea. And then also I bought compost yesterday. I went to the mall and then I got this other compost that I want to try on my plants. So I'm going to do that and then prepare my food. And then, yeah. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Subscribe. I'm talking to you right now. Please subscribe. See ya, Van. Anyway, outfit of the day. Wearing this dress. Yeah, I'm wearing this beautiful dress that I got from Small Street, I think, a long time ago. And yeah, lace is from Lovisa, and then the earrings also are from Lovisa.
Honestly, Steph, it almost sounds
Big as compost from Pick and Pay, and it was like 40 rands. So you can see this one, like it's losing its leaves. That succulent Nayo is gone, all of it. One still survived. I don't know how. So it smells like fresh rain on my, and then there's just like F, like an after rain F smell. It smells like it. I checked the internet, but they said I shouldn't put it on. So just using a bit of it. Yeah. Maybe I should have removed the dead leaves. But you know what? One thing is the dead leaves also act as a compost, right? Because they dry out and the nutrients return to the soil, you know. I know we all know it, but yeah, so I'm just gonna leave them. Just give them like a boost of water. Like the water is gonna have the whole compost to, you know, get absorbed. Also, the last time, I didn't show you guys, but there's some new growth here.
She give me the yes. Make her arch her back, she give me the best. She give me the X. Walk inside the bank, they give me the check. Pick her core crap with her money spent. Keep her old stick, army vet. Keep my new cheeks, tsunami wet. Pad on my neck, arm, leg. Had to make it easy so you get it. I'ma make it hard for the next. Niggas glitching, I can't send a text. More books made a killing under my head. Bus side is landing in New York. I just put a vibe from the Bronx and you lose hard. Riding with my king out, Brooklyn in a New York. Riding with my coons, hiding hard in my breed of love. I just left the queens like a movie for us in a deep chill. Trying to lie me even though I'm legendary. I moved outside and I seen about 10 shots. Free slime like a fucking penitentiary. She give me the yes.
Give me the X. Move inside the bank, they give me the check. She give me the yes. Make her arch her back, she give me the best. She give me the X. Move inside the bank, they give me the check.
She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be so persuasive? That marijuana. She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be? Feel like the feeling of a suppress. Feel like I got no breath. Feel like I need it. Rest. Well, it's the season I should let go, and that's the reason I'm about more. Well, it's the season I should fly so low. I'm so sedated, and she's so persuasive. This isolation is so sweet you could taste it. It's 8 in the morning, moonlight y'all be yawning. It's 3 in the morning, and I'm still performing. She's so persuasive. She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be so persuasive? That marijuana. She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be? How does it feel to be alive? Let me break it down till it feel right. How does it feel? I'm so alive and it's so that when I'm so can't get a vibe. I wait me too many get that line. I can't control. It's the flow. It's a can't tell when it's dark and I'm all one. How does it feel? I beat the boss that paid the price. Get up off my balls, I say it nice. Get up off that wall and change your life. Take you to paradise. She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be so persuasive? That marijuana.